Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SIRG. We will take a look here at the daily time frame. So first couple things I want to point out are just, and I don't mean to state the obvious, but obviously this thing exploded, had big volume, and really shot up. And since then, as fun as this action can be, no stock can go straight up. All stocks need to consolidate, and profit takers. That's the point of the market. So that's what's been happening here. But the price has been holding above key areas of support, and I'll talk more about that here in a second. But just want to show that the stock certainly has the ability to move, but profit takers have stepped in. And from simply a volume analysis standpoint, this isn't me speaking. This is just basic technical analysis. Any textbook or blog or video or whatever will tell you that during upwards moves you want to see bigger volume, which is what happened right here. And then during pullback and sideways action, which is happening right here, you want to see the volume drop off. And you can clearly see that most recent volume is certainly less than what it was on the breakout days. So, from strictly volume analysis standpoint, that's what you want to see. So what are these key levels of support that I already talked about that the price has been holding? Well, let's first drop down here a line or support line. And that is right there. But as you can see, the price has not even tested that. The reason this is important is the last time the price got some action back here, it went up as high as 0009 before getting rejected back down. And just basic technical analysis, when a resistance is broken and closed above it, becomes a support. So you can see the price is up above this level. So 0009 is an important area of support. And then when you factor in that this pink line here, the 200-day simple moving average, so a very important moving average, is also valued at 0009. Hopefully the pieces are kind of coming together. That 0009, very important level of support. If 0009 does not hold, then the next key area of support is that purple line there, the 50-day simple moving average, and that is currently valued at 0006. I say currently valued because it is a moving average, so it will change with time. And then finally, one more level of support I want to talk about right here at this area here, and this is the ideal level of support, meaning ideally this will make the chart continue to look the strongest if it can hold above the 001. But you can see multiple times. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times out of the past couple weeks, the price has gone down there and bounced right off of it. So ideally, you want to see that continue to happen. But if it doesn't, as already discussed, you do have 0009 right below it acting as support. Now let's talk about some areas of resistance. In regards to resistance, the first big and key level of resistance that you want to see the price not only get above, close above. There's a big difference between breaking above and closing above. But getting some closes up above 0014, which is right here, that's going to be the first key area for any sort of move to the upside, or I should say continued move to the upside. And then the next key area of support, or excuse me, resistance, is going to be up there at 0017. And after 0017, then you can see the chart opens up again as really nothing until up here in the 002s, I should say. So again, first level of resistance to keep an eye on, 0014. Next area of resistance to keep an eye on is at 0017, and then from there, you got some room to run. Of course, any sort of upwards move, if that's going to happen, going to need to see more volume than what the past 3 days have been. But like I said, the chart has shown that when volume does come in, the price has got the ability to move. So it's kind of a grab some popcorn and see what happens from here on out. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, thanks for watching and have a good one.